Hello everyone and welcome to another Advanced tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing Form 5 Additional Mathematics Chapter 8 Probability Distributions Long Question Example 5. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Okay, let me read the question now. The mass of a pill made by a factory is normally distributed with the mean of mu milligram and a standard deviation of 0.5 milligram. 15.87% of the pills chosen at random have a mass of more than 7.5 milligram. Find the value of mu. Calculate the number of pills that have a mass between 6.4 milligram and 7.8 milligram if 2000 pills are produced in a certain period of time. Okay, these are the respective questions. Okay, I hope you will attempt this question in the future, guys. If you can solve this question, okay, good job. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions now. Okay, let us start to look at the question part A. Okay, normally, a normal distribution question will give in a such way that your mean and standard deviation will give you straight away and then you find the probability. But then this question is slightly different. They gave you the probability value, which is in the percentage form over here, and they give you the respective x over here. But then we have a problem. We don't know the value of mean. Okay, these two values is extremely crucial, guys. Once you have these two values, then only you can proceed. But then how are we going to proceed for this question? Okay, in this case, I'm going to show you the step-by-step working now. Okay, let us start. So the step didn't change, guys. So the step one, what you need to do, you need to identify the mean and the standard deviation. So in this case, your mean value you don't know, so you leave it as a mu milligram. The standard deviation is equals to 0.5 milligram. So you write it down over here. Okay, proceed to the next step. So what you do in this case, instead of you writing down the Z value, you immediately draw the bell curve and shade the required region. So how do you know to shade the required region? Okay, back to the question over here. In the question mentioned that 15.87% of the pills chosen at random have a mass of more than 7.5 milligram. Okay, 15.87% more than 7.5 milligram. Okay, so in this case, this value we can know that your value in the bell curve is in the right hand side region. Okay, continue to show the bell curve. So this is your bell curve, guys, and this is your K value. Your K value we don't know. I mean the Z value we actually don't know, so we just write unknown here K. And this shaded region is actually 15.87%. That is in the percentage form, guys. So given the area under the shaded region is equals to 15.87%, you divide with 100, so you get the probability value, which is 0.1587%. Okay, I'm going to continue the working to the next page, so please hold on for a moment. Okay, step 3, what we're going to do, we're going to find the Z value K from the bell curve. Okay, usually what the question asks us is, they give us the Z value and the probability, and then we straight away find the they give us the Z value, and then from there we immediately find the probability from the Z table. But in this case, it's the other way around, guys. They gave us the probability and then they required us to find the Z value itself. Okay, so probability X is more than K is equals to 0.1587. So the K value we can find using the Z table. Okay, let me show you the Z table now. Okay, before that, okay, regarding the Z table, I have some important note for you to tell you, guys. Okay, this 1.0 Z value, as you notice over here, in the previous explanation, I have tell you that is 0.1578. It's actually wrong, guys. It's not 0.1578. It should be 0.1587. So I don't know. There is a printing error in this Z table since I took it from the internet. Okay, maybe the tutor have done something wrong in the typing of the Z table. So by the way, I just want to let you know this 1.0 value is equal to 0.1587. Okay, Okay, back to our explanation. So in this case, 15.87. So where do you to find? So from here you find at the 1.0 over here. So this will be your respective Z value, guys. So 0.1587. So as you can look, is over here. So this is the respective Z value. So from here, we know that our K value is equals to 1.0. Okay. So once you know the K value, which is the respective Z value, so now you can find the mean mu. So how to find the mu? Given that the formula of Z is equals to x minus mu divided by sigma. So given that your x is equals to 7.5 milligram and your sigma is equals to 0.5 milligram. So from here you can find your mean. So Z equals to K, which is equals to 1.0. This is a value that you have obtained just now. So 1.0 is equals to 7.5 minus mu divided by 0.5. So from here you get your mean is equals to 7 milligrams. So this will be your answer for question part A. Okay, let us proceed to the question part B. So for the question part B, the first step, what we need to do, we need to find the respective Z values given by x equals to 6.4 milligram and x equals to 7.8 milligram. Okay, since we know the mean and the standard deviation, since it's from within the same question, so we can just proceed to find the respective Z values. Okay. So for the first Z value, 6.4, you minus with 7, you divide by 0.5, you get your Z1 is equals to negative 1.2. For the Z2 is equals to 7.8, you minus with 7, you divide with 0.5, so you get your respective Z2 value is equals to 1.6. Okay. I'm going to show you the working in the following page, so please hold on for a moment. Okay, once you identify the Z value, what you do in the next step, you draw the bell curve and shade the required region, guys. So this is the respective region that they asked to find, which is in between negative 1.2 and 1.6. So you shade the middle region. Okay, the next step, what we need to do, we need to find the probability of negative 1.2 less than Z less than 1.6. Okay, let us proceed. So write down the whole expression over here. So to find this probability, what you do, 1, you minus with your probability of Z less than negative 1.2 minus with your probability of Z more than 1.6. Okay. So this is your explanation, guys, in terms of diagram. So 1 represent the total area under the graph, and then you minus with your left hand side region, and then you minus with the right hand side region. So you minus this all, you get the middle region, guys. Okay. So let us proceed to the next step. So from here you convert to the upper trail value, 1 minus Q 1.2 minus with Q 1.6. So you find this value in the Z table. So from here you get 1 minus 0.1151 minus with 0.0548. Okay, you calculate this, you should get your answer 0.8361. But this is not the final answer, guys. We still have one step left. So the step 4, what we need to do, we need to find the number of pills produced within the 2000 pills. Okay. So 0.8361 you times with 2000. So from here you get your answer 1660.2. So in reality you won't have a pills with 0.2, guys. So what you do, you write the approximation of 1660 pills. So this will be your final answer, guys. Okay, let me put back the question paper for your reference. So please hold on for a moment. Alright, that is all for my step-by-step working and question for this video. Thank you everyone for your support, and I will see you in the next video.